everyone, I'm Joe Pantaleo, founder of Tapping for Freedom. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a tapping technique called finger tapping. As most of you already know, we have many meridian points that run through us from top all the way to the bottom. For tapping, we use specific meridian points on our body to tap on. For finger tapping, we only use the endpoints of our fingers. Now this is a great technique for the times that you want to be discreet about tapping. I like to call it secret tapping. Now here are some examples of when you could use this style of tapping. If you're in a meeting and you're feeling anxious, nervous, or upset, you can literally be tapping with your hands under the table or in your lap without anyone noticing. You can use it in large crowds if you're feeling claustrophobic or anxious. Also, if you're meeting a friend or family member that triggers you, this is a great time to use this before seeing them or while in their presence. This secret tapping is great for any other issues you have where you want to be discreet while you're tapping. It's like a secret weapon that nobody knows about that has a positive effect on the body and the mind. Let's give it a try together. Let's go through the finger points first. Our finger points are located at the tips of our fingers at the corner of the nail. The first point is the thumb. The second point is the index finger. The third is the middle. Now we skip the ring finger because we use that meridian point in a different technique, which I'll show you in a different video. The last is the pinky finger. Now when tapping, you can use the same hand if you want, or the opposite hand. Whatever you prefer. The next part is what to say while finger tapping. A lot of people get really frustrated when trying to figure out what to say. Don't overthink it. Keep it simple. If you're going to have a meeting or a presentation, tune into how you're feeling in that moment and start tapping on those finger points as you say how you feel. I'm nervous. I'm scared. My stomach hurts. I don't want to screw up. And you can keep it positive as well. You can say, I feel great. I got this. I feel calm. I'm not nervous. So keep tapping those points until you get the relief you're looking for. Remember, consistency is key. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share with your family and friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.